Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand the process of resolving the pending e-payments in TallyPrime. An e-payment transaction might need resolution when the details entered in the transaction or master are either incomplete or incorrect. You might have entered some details that do not match with the information in the masters. Let's open the e-payments report. Press Alt-G. Type or select banking activities and press Enter. Drill down from the e-payments column for a specific bank ledger. Such transactions will be a part of the Pending for Sending to Bank section. You can resolve such transactions so that those are ready to be sent to bank. First, let's see how to resolve transactions with incomplete or incorrect bank ledger master details. Drill down from Incomplete or Incorrect Bank Ledger Master Details. When you do not have the required bank details, such as account number and IFS code, in the bank ledger, all the transactions for the bank ledger are found in this section. Press Enter on the row with the bank ledger name. Enter the account number. Press Ctrl-A to save the details. Based on the other details in the transactions, all the transactions move to their respective sections in the e-payments report. Now, let's see how to resolve transactions with incomplete or incorrect transaction details. This issue occurs due to incomplete or incorrect details in the bank allocation. Drill down from Incomplete or Incorrect Transaction Details. The transactions contain incomplete or incorrect account number or IFS code. Select a transaction and press Enter. Enter the correct account number and IFS code. If the information is available in the master, then you can press Alt-S to copy the master info. The details get copied from the master to the transaction. Press Ctrl-A to save the details. The transaction moves to the Ready for Sending to Bank section. Similarly, you can resolve transactions with mismatch in bank details with masters. Drill down from Mismatch in Bank Details with Masters. If the party bank details entered in the bank allocation do not match the bank details provided in the party ledger, then the transaction is found in this section. If the information is correct, then you can select the transaction and accept as is. However, if the information is incorrect, then select the transaction and press Enter. Copy the master info by pressing Alt-S. The details get copied from the master to the transaction. Press Ctrl-A to save the details. The transaction moves to the Ready for Sending to Bank section. Once the transactions are ready to be sent to bank, press Alt-Z, Exchange. Send payments. You can then proceed to export the payment instructions. To know how to do it, watch our video, How to Export e-payments from TallyPrime. As you saw, you can easily resolve the pending e-payments so that the transactions are ready to be sent to bank. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp us for assistance. Subscribe to Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.